Good morning students, welcome back to Maths class. In the previous class we have learnt about factor tree and based on that we have done problems. What do you mean by a factor tree? Yes, every natural composite number n can be written as the product of at least two distinct factors, say a and b. If a and b are prime numbers, then this is the only representation of n. This can be represented by means of a diagram called factor tree. In today's class, we are going to solve problems based on a factor tree with 4-digit numbers. Exercise 1.10, second Roman letter. Draw factor trees for the following composite numbers. So the first question, 1521. Let us solve this one. So start with 3 tables. Divide 1521 by 3. 5 3s are 15. So again here 2 is there. 2 is not divisible by 3. So put 0 here and take the number 21. 7 3s are 21. Again do it with 3 tables. 1 3 is 3. Remaining 2. 6 3s are 18. Again remaining 2. 9 3s are 27. As you know very well, 169 is 13 13s are 169. Now you have reached the prime numbers. Further we cannot simplify this one. So you can write the factors of 1521 is equal to 3 into 3 into 13 into 13, or you can write this one as 3 square into 13 square. Is it clear, children? Yes. The second question, 1764. Here the ending digit of the number is 4. It is divisible by 2 tables. So let us start with 2 tables. 8 2s are 16. Remaining 1. Again 8 2s are 16. 2 2s are 4. Divide with 2 tables. 4 2s are 8. Again 4 2s are 8. 1 2 is 2. Do it with 3 tables. 1 3 is 3. Remaining 1 14. 4 3s are 12. Remaining 2 21. 7 3s are 21. Do it with 3 table. 4 3s are 12. Remaining 2 27. 9 3s are 27. So you know very well 7 7s are 49. So now you reached all the prime numbers. So you can write the answer as the factors of 1764 is equal to 2 times 2, 2 times 3 and 2 times 7. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. Or you can write it as 2 square into 3 square into 7 square. Can you understand? Yes. The third question, 1024. So here also the ending digit is an even number. So you can start with 2 tables. Divide 1024 divided by 2. 5 2s are 10. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. Again divide it with 2 table. 2 2s are 4, remaining 1. 5 2s are 10, remaining 1. 6 2s are 12. Shall we divide this one with 2 tables? Yes. 2. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4, remaining 1. 8 2s are 16. 2. 6 2s are 12, 4 2s are 8. Again 2. 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again 2. 1 2 is 2, remaining 1. 12, 6 2s are 12. Again 2. 8 2s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2. Now you have reached all the prime numbers. So the factors are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So you can write this one as factors of 1024 is equal to 2 power 10. So the next question, 3136. Always start with small tables, then it will be easy for you to do it. Do it with 2 tables. 1 2 is 2, remaining 1. 5 2s are 10, remaining 1. 6 2s are 12, remaining 1. 8 2s are 16. 7 2s are 14, remaining 1. 8 2s are 16, and 4 2s are 8. Again do it with 2 tables. 3 2s are 6, remaining 1. 9 2s are 18, 2 2s are 4. 1 2 is 2, remaining 1. 9 2s are 18, remaining 1. 6 2s are 12. Nine 2s are 18, remaining 1. 8 2s are 16. In 2 tables, 2 49s are 98, and this 49 you can write it as 7 7s are 49. So the factors of 3136 is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times of 2 and 2 times of 7. 2 power 6 into 7 power 2. Is it clear, children? Yes. Students, you can copy down today's home assignment now. Take your homework note. Let us check the solutions for previous day home assignment. Thank you.